Welcome to IBM Support TV, where we answer questions and share technical support information, hints, and tips on IBM products.
Question: how do I set up Object Request Broker (ORB) trace in WebSphere Application Server? If you're having issues with your EJB calls or are seeing ORB error messages like "Corba, no response," it might be helpful to turn on ORB tracing to perform further troubleshooting. Log into the Administrative Console. Click Server. Click Server Types. Click WebSphere Application Servers. Click the name of the server where you want to turn on tracing. Scroll down to the Troubleshooting section. Click Change Log Detail Levels under the Troubleshooting section. Under the Configuration tab, set the trace specification to *info: ORB RAS equals all. Click OK. Click Save. Click the name of the server that you are setting up the trace for. Scroll down to the Troubleshooting section. Under the Troubleshooting section, click Diagnostic Trace Service. Change the value of maximum file size to 50 MB or higher. Change the value of maximum number of historical files to 10 or higher. Click OK. Click Save. Click the name of the server that you are setting up the trace for. Under the Container Settings section, click Container Services. Click ORB Service. Tick the ORB Tracing checkbox. Click OK. Click Save. ORB trace is now configured. You will now need to stop the server and restart it for all of the ORB trace to be collected. One way to stop the server is to use the following command: stop server, server name. By default, the trace log will be created in the same location as the other WebSphere Application Server log files, like systemout.log. If you go to the folder that contains the log files, you will likely see that there is no trace.log file. If you do have old trace.log files in the folder, you will want to remove them first before you restart the server. This will allow a new trace.log file to be created which contains only the ORB trace when the server starts up. One way to start the server is to use the following command: start server, server name. Once the server is started, you will see that a trace.log file is created. You can open this file to verify that the ORB trace is being captured. You will want to verify that the current trace specification is set to *info: ORB RAS equals all.
Thanks for watching this episode of IBM Support TV. Please leave a comment with topics you would like to see in future episodes. Until then, stay tuned.